Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off today's video with this DIY fruit basket. So it looks like she's using a placemat here. Now this is a nice little DIY to try out if you have like a bohemian style decor to your home. I think this is really cute, and you could put some handles on that as well. Very nice. Alright, so moving on to DIY number 2. This is from the same creator. Okay, so she's putting a piece of wood in the middle there. Looks like she might be making some type of, oh, it's a table, I think. Like a little side table maybe, or entryway table. And then she uses the contact paper. Wow. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. And honestly, it looks like real wood to me. And then we got this book holder made out of stone. So she is using the paper mache technique to cover the stones. Honestly, you could just take the stones and spray paint them. But I think this is a natural like DIY project that just adds like that natural element to your space. I think this is a really cool idea. Definitely a statement piece as well. So moving right along. Now this DIY definitely looks like another table. Oh, it has 2 components to it. Oh, it looks like she might be making a desk here. Oh, it's it's a TV console. I feel like this could like actually function for like quite a few different projects. You could make that into a desk as well. Can't believe it's dirty enough to hold a TV though. So this next one involves some coffee beans, some cardboard, you would definitely have to take your time with this project because those coffee beans are so small. And you could spray paint this too. I feel like, I mean, obviously you can keep that natural coffee color, which would be like a cool, you know, something different in your home. But if you spray painted the coffee beans gold, I think that would be really pretty as well. A nice like texturized effect. And then we have this cool DIY mirror design. This is definitely once again playing into that bohemian style. And this is a pretty simple one to make. I've seen this one done quite a few times. And then we have some candle holders. So it looks like she has some old baby formula canisters here. And then using the contact paper to wrap around. Very cool. Nice and simple. And then we have a gold leaf design. Wow. This is so pretty. Ooh, gold foil. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is a masterpiece. And you guys know, if you follow this channel, I'm obsessed with gold. I love the way that these came out. So beautiful. Alright, so we got some DIY pumpkin pillows. So she's got like the fleece style fabric here. Okay, so this DIY does take a bit of sewing. And then she's stuffing that. I'm not sure what she's using for the stuffing. It's kind of hard to tell here. And then this is how she is getting that pumpkin shape. And you could just use like regular pillow inserts for the stuffing if you wanted to. And she's doing the stem. I like how she did like multiple colors. Like she did the ivory and the orange. Made different sizes. Those came out so cute. Alright, what do we have here? DIY tables? I have no idea what those words are that's being said, so that probably would help me to better react to what she's making. I have no idea what that was. Alright, you guys, I hope that you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give them a big thumbs up, or give this video a big thumbs up rather. Hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you in the next one.